Hello everybody, my name is TonioSchaub and I originally come from Germany. I have just started my PhD at the VEC group at IMBE a few weeks ago. It is a CIFRE PhD co-funded by the energy company ENGIE, and we also collaborate with the University of Groningen in the Netherlands. The topic of the project are the interactions of birds of prey with wind turbines, with the underlying question how to realize the transition towards renewable energy production in a way that it is not harmful to biodiversity. You probably all know that wind energy plays an important role in the energy transition. The number of wind farms has increased strongly in the last 20 years nearly everywhere on the globe, and the objective is to construct many more in the upcoming decades. But wind energy has the disadvantage that birds and also bats can collide with wind turbine rotors, and this can have serious population impacts. Against this background, the first objective for the PhD project is to improve the understanding of wind turbine collision risk in birds of prey. This is a bird family which is particularly susceptible to wind turbine collisions. And secondly, we aim to identify measures to reduce the collision risk. For example, using higher or lower turbine models, as you can see in the picture on the right, could make a difference for some species. Our main study method is GPS telemetry, and that means that birds are equipped with GPS tags that register their movements. In this way, we can investigate important aspects of flight behavior, such as the proportion of time that the birds spend in wind farms or the flight altitude of the birds. And this information can then be used in collision risk models in order to estimate the number of collision fatalities for a particular area and also for different scenarios. And we will work on a number of different species like Montagu's harriers, common buzzards and red kites. This will enable us to compare the flight behavior and collision risk between species. And moreover, we will also collaborate with different partners across Europe, for example, in the Netherlands, in Germany, and in Sweden. And in this way, we can include more different species in the study and also compare the behavior of certain species across a number of areas. That's all from my part. Thank you for listening, and I'm curious to learn more about the other new PhD projects at the Institute.